God. It is a Boeing centennial celebration gift that I received in the mail. It's got the 100 on there. And it's for the 100th anniversary of Boeing, which started in Seattle in 1916. And here we have to the next 100 years. And on the side, 100 clouds. And on the other side, 100. And the 100 design is based off of the logo. And this slanted logo was made, I believe, in the 60s, during the birth of the jet age, when they came out with the 707, 717, etc., etc., and then 747 being the main sugar mama of the time, of the golden age of airlines, when people were eating caviar and drinking martinis back in the back, and of course smoking like a chimney without the sound of crying children. But the O is reminiscent of the windows that are on the airplane, and then of course this slanted text resembling flight through the air. Anyways, let's open it and see what is going to be for the next 100 years. And here we have a nice little note. It says, Boeing is a company with a history like no other. As employees, our privilege and responsibility is to protect and grow the rich legacy of aerospace leadership forged by those who came before us and build an even better future. I hope you'll display this gift proudly as a reminder of the achievements of our past and amazing things we have accomplished together in the next 100 years. Thank you, Dennis Muhlenberg. And there's his signature. Dennis Muhlenberg being the current CEO, president, and chairman of the board of the Boeing Company. Very nice. Let's see what's inside, shall we? Nice little squishy protection there. Oh, get a little bit of a peek. Ooh. Let's see. And it is a nice metal 100 attached to this metal base, featuring a nice blue sky. And it says, the next 100 years. On July 15th, 1916, William Boeing, or as we call him, Bill, founded a company that changed the world forever. The pioneering spirit and rugged determination of our founders lives on through us, the people of Boeing. Our passion for innovation, excellence, and human achievement will take Boeing and the world to new heights in our second century. And it's pretty hefty too. Very nice to display on a desk at the Boeing Company, or wherever you may. And there's more foam. Thank you. Thank you, Boeing, for all the foam. Well, here's to another 100 years of innovative aerospace technology stuff that they built. Yeah. Bye.